good? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Carrie. If you're new, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. So today is another episode of Flawless Fall Features, and today it is with my girl Eva K. All right. So if you don't know who she is, I don't know where you been. You need to check her out. That is my boo. Okay. If you're looking for a fun time, yo, she mad funny though. When you go on her channel, she's slaying the wigs, but she gonna bring you a fun time every time. Like, she got jokes. She be cracking up. She be having me rolling. Like, she's so cool, y'all. When you go to her channel, you're gonna want to hit that subscribe button. I'm telling you off jump, because it's always a good time. And most of all, she slays. So you see these pictures I'm dropping up in here, so you kind of get a feel of her channel and see what she do over there. So make sure when you finish with this review, you head over there and show her mad love, okay? So we're reviewing 2 new units from Outre. Again, some more Outre units. So we have JAYLANI, okay? And this is from the Perfect Hairline collection. Both units are exactly the same. I just have it in 2 colors, a color number 2 and a color DR4 Creamy Mocha, which is the one I'm wearing right now. Both of them have the same exact specs. It is a 13x6 and it has the faux scalp. And the faux scalp, I do not like off jump. I know I don't like these things because if you haven't seen my review, I did do 2 other units from this line. I did the Charisma and I did Danita. Those are new units as well. And Danita came with the faux scalp, which I cut out, okay? So just putting that out there. I don't like it. It does have transparent HD lace, so they say you can use heat up to 400 degrees. So as far as the styling, I'll kind of run through that real quick and explain what I did because I ain't do much. So for the styling, I tinted the lace because the lace was a little bit too light for me. And then I went ahead and I just added some powder to the part, whatever part I wanted to use. It is a 13x6, so you do have some, you know, some options on where you want to part this unit, okay? So I added some powder to my parting space, and then I just flattened it out a little bit with my wand. But when I took it out the pack, it was kind of wavy and stuff and being crumbled and folded. So I did use a little bit of heat with my flat iron and kind of straighten out the ends a little bit too. So that's literally all I did for the styling portion. There are a lot of similarities with both of the color units, but it is a little bit of a difference too. So I'm gonna just run off with the color number 2 real quick. So the color number 2, I did not cut the faux scalp out of that one just so you guys can see what it looks like. And I tell you, I do not like it. You can see the line of demarcation, and on top of that, it just doesn't look good. Like, the color of the scalp they put on here is not the color of my scalp, so it doesn't even match. So it's like, okay, what is the point? So I did cut the faux scalp out of the creamy mocha color, and I feel like it just gives a better blend. It just looks a lot cleaner, and it's just like, I don't even know why they put that faux scalp in there. That's all I'm saying. Going back to the color number 2 unit, something was really up with the hair. There was like, and I'm not talking about the line of demarcation from the faux scalp, but there was like a line split through the hair. Like, somebody like put a part in it, did like this, and just smooth it out with some heat or something, because the hair was separated and it was a line going straight across, and I just couldn't get it out, and I just left it. I was like, I don't even care at this point, because the color number 2 unit was, I was just giving y'all some natural vibes, but this was the color that I really wanted to try on. So I was like, I'm not going to put too much work into styling that unit anyways. But yeah, I don't know what that was about, but it was very annoying, and it looks crazy. It's just like a line going straight through the unit. The parting space, it made the parting space look very, very wide and just open, and it's just not cute. Something was up with that. So with this unit and the creamy mocha one, I don't have that problem. There's no line going across or anything like that, so I'm good in that book. I do feel like the lace is blended very, very well. You know, they say HD transparent, but it does need to be colored depending on what color you are. So with just the tint spray, I do think it looks pretty good, because like up here is just the tint spray, and I didn't melt this unit down. I'm about to go to sleep soon. I'm gonna be real with y'all. And I'm not going anywhere, and I wanted to see how it looked without doing it, because when I did do Danita and Charisma, one of them I laid, I don't know, one of them for sure I know I didn't lay, and it looked good. But it was Danita. She looked good. But for some reason, though the lace does look good on both of them, the color 2 and creamy mocha, because it's the same exact lace, this wig just fits a little funny. So I know it's a 13x6, like kind of frontal or whatever, but it's literally fitting me like a human hair frontal that you can't even sit on your head if you don't glue it down. Like, this thing is loosey goosey, okay? And it's a very weird fit on both of them because it's like loose up here in the front, and it does have the elastic band in it, but the elastic band doesn't seem to be doing anything for me at all. It actually feels like extra large or stretched out. It's not doing anything, so it's kind of pointless at this point. And like I said, it's really loose up here, so you cannot wear this thing without melting it down. The combs, they do have combs, but a lot of people don't use them. If you do use combs, the combs are like very far down on it this time around, so depending on your head size, you probably won't be able to use it if you have a small head. I have a 22.5 circumference size head, so my head is kind of big, so the combs are fitting. But what I'm trying to say is if your head is a little bit smaller, the combs will probably go beyond your ear. Like, I don't know, the placement of the combs are very, very weird in these units, and it's uncomfortable, and I don't know. The fit of this wig is just a very weird fit. It doesn't feel comfortable at all. And shockingly, those loose hair is still small. So I would not even call it big head friendly as far as getting it in front of your hairline, because I was tugging on them a lot at first. On the number 2, I thought maybe I cut off too much lace, but I didn't, because on this one for sure, I know I didn't cut off too much lace. And it's like I could barely pull it to the front of my head. So I'm not even going to say that these wigs are big head friendly, but if you have a small head, then sis, you in luck. But if you're a big header like me, no, you're probably going to have to use you're going to have to melt it to get it to not slip. Like, I'm just being real with you. So yeah, as far as the texture goes on these units, it is silky, and it's like straight silky. Ain't no yak or nothing in this unit at all. And that is for the color number 2 as well. I do notice that the color number 2 was actually tangling on me more than this one. Both of them have some tangling, but the number 2 was actually heavier, and I'm shocked because this has blonde in it. And then as far as shedding goes, I'm not really getting much shedding. It's very minimal, but I do have flyaways with both units. Now, overall, the style of the unit, I don't like it. I don't really like these wigs, neither one of the colors. I'm not feeling it. I feel like the fibers are just like moving very weird for me. Like I said, it looks nice and sleek and straight on the stock card. And on these, it just, I mean, I know it's a straight unit and it's going to kind of form its shape to your body or whatever. But I feel like these, like particular ones, the fibers are so weird. And like, even when I try to straighten it out, it just kept bending. It looks like doll hair. Like, it's not cute. I don't like the texture of this unit. It's just not cute to me. I don't like the way the fibers are moving. It doesn't look like human hair to me. I know it's not human hair, but it's just, I don't like it. I just don't. It just feels, it looks straw-like to me. I don't know about it, okay? I don't know. This is just me. That's just me. Because it was supposed to have a pre-plucked hairline, I can definitely say that it does look like some pre-plucked, it's pre-plucked a little bit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. The hairline pretty much looks the same on both units, to be honest with you. Y'all, I don't like these wigs. It just fits weird. It don't look right. Something wrong with them. Help these wigs. Say the wigs. All right, y'all. So that is my thought on the new Miss JAYLANI. Okay, I ain't really a fan of her. Y'all know how I feel. Let me know what you think about the unit down in the comment section below, and let me know if you like this color. I think the color is like the only thing I like about the unit, to be honest with you. But make sure you head over to E4K and show her so much love over there. I know she gonna slay. I know she gonna do something real cute. I know she gonna look good. Okay, so go over there and show her lots of love, and I'll see y'all in my next video. We got about 20 seconds of some end screens popping up, and my subscribe button probably sitting on my face, so I'm gonna bump down a little bit. Can you see me now? Make sure you click on one of these things right here. I got some new other videos, some playlists, something gonna pop up there, so click on it. Okay, click on it for your girl one time. 20 seconds is almost done. 20 seconds is almost done. I think we somewhere around it right about now. See y'all later.